to -3 but add to 1, but we can't do that because our A is not equal to 1. So we have to use our B term, and the B term is equal to -1. Well, we're looking for two numbers that are multiples of 3 and also multiples of 2. So when you break this down to -1, what is a multiple of 2 and a multiple of -3? Well, you can add, you have to do it by trial and error, that's first of all. There is no rhyme or reason to this, there is no formula to this, you have to do it by trial and error. I noticed that if I was to do -3x and positive 2x, -3x plus positive 2x equals what? -1. So -3x plus positive 2x equals -1, and I can reverse these two terms because then that will be multiples of 2 and a multiple of 3. So look what I did there. I'm going to erase this and get 2x minus 3x. 2 minus 3 equals -1. And now I'm just going to bring down everything else. Now we can do what? What is it called again? No. We're not factoring group. Factor by grouping. You're going to factor by grouping. What can you take out of these first two terms? Huh? The first two terms, what can you take out of it? Evenly.
2.
2 what?
X.
2x, because they both share a 2 and they both share an x. So you take out 2x. What are you left with to get x squared?
X.
Just x. What are you left with to get 2x?
2.
So 2x times 2 equals 2x?
1.
So just 1. Now what are we left with on this term? What can we take out of both of these two terms? 3x and -3.
3.
What type of 3? What do they both share? They both share -3. So then I can take out -3 and I'm left with what on the inside? X.
-3.
Minus 1?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Because -3 times positive 1 will equal -3. Stop popping the numbers. So then you're left with 2x minus 3, and then you're left with x plus 1. Cool?
No.
Did you understand that?
No. Yeah.
And then you can FOIL it if you like. Well, you have to check your answer.
Damn, understand it.
Hold on, there you go. Also weren't in school for a whole week and a half, so I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying that I have to come to you personally. I'm not gonna stop.
Right on Black Lives Matter.
Oh, shit.
I don't know how, but it just connected me to your Wi-Fi. Or whatever you done on the mascot.
What is it?
You see you're connected to your
So first, outer, inner, and last is what FOIL stands for again. So then you would check your answers and see if it works. First term is what? 2x squared. Well, let me use the colors, pretty colors. First term is green, so it's going to be 2x squared. Outer terms are what? 2x and 1, so that's just 2x. Inner term is what?
3x.
Negative 3x, and then minus 3 plus 1. Times 1 is what? Negative 3 times 1 is what?
-3.
Negative 3. Negative 3 times positive 1 is just negative 3. You combine these terms in the middle, so 2x minus 3x is just equal to negative 1. Our answer checks out. I'm going to allow you all to do this one on your own, but I am going to set you up. If you look at this middle term, you're going to look for two numbers that are multiples of, again, 3 and 2. So, but add up to 7. So what two numbers add up to 7, but are multiples of 3 and a multiple of 2?
5 and 2.
A multiple of 3 and a multiple of 2. 5 is only a multiple of itself. Like
4 and 3.
4 and 3. So I'm going to break this down to 3x plus 4x